Data and AI are revolutionizing industries, enhancing personalization, and unlocking new possibilities across diverse realms. AI is improving diagnoses and enabling personalized treatment plans, revolutionizing patient care. Unlocking personalized experiences in diverse realms such as e-commerce, entertainment, and beyond. Addresses the ethical challenges of data collection, privacy, and algorithmic biases in the pursuit of enhancing human experiences. Addresses the ethical challenges of data collection, privacy, and algorithmic biases in the pursuit of enhancing human experiences. Smart cities are being transformed by data-driven technologies and AI, enhancing transportation, safety, and citizen services for a better urban experience. Data plays a vital role in visualization to convey complex information and tell stories effectively. AI-powered virtual assistants are revolutionizing everyday life, providing productivity, convenience, and accessibility at our fingertips. Education is being transformed through personalized learning experiences, empowering students with data and AI technologies for future success. In the age of AI, safeguarding data and ensuring privacy are paramount. Data and AI technologies help to protect sensitive information and build trust in this new era. At People Tech, we explore the future of data and AI, uncovering emerging trends like augmented intelligence and explainable AI, and their potential impact on human experiences.